This is a quick introduction to the Nothing Beats Free program from Zango. Here's how it works. First, pick a Zango product pack from among the 5 offered and set it up on the Automatic Delivery Program, or ADP. This is your favorite pack. This is the pack you'd like to get for free every month. Second, get at least 3 others to do the same thing. And that's it. Your next month's pack is free. Here's what it looks like. Let's say you choose the 1-case Zango Juice pack and 3 friends match what you did. The next thing you know, your following month's product pack is free. Now, what would happen if someone wanted a different pack? Let's say you choose the Faveo Complete pack. 2 of your friends do the same thing, but a 3rd friend wants juice. Yes, you're $100 short, but you don't have to stop at just 3 customers. If you bring in more, you're covered. As long as the combined total of your customers' packs equals at least 3 times the cost of your product pack, you're qualified. And the best news of all, as long as everyone stays on ADP, it's free to use.